Long ago, people lived here, until something made them leave. Tonight we explore the lost town where the past still whispers. This town was suddenly abandoned many years ago. Some say strange events frightened everyone away. Families once lived here, meals were cooked, children played, and then one day, everything stopped. Locals say strange sounds can still be heard in these buildings late at night. This old diary belonged to someone who lived here. The last entry says they heard noises coming from the hills. Some visitors say the town doesn't like being disturbed. We made it out, but the mystery of this town is still unsolved.